All right, today we're going to be working on a toe dash. These are the red Aspen toe dashes. They are just like their nail dashes. I call them their Pedi dashes. This is a Caitlin's Living Coral, and I'm going to show you how we apply them. So I already opened the box and pulled out my tools that come with it that I'm going to need. I also sized them ahead of time so I know which ones for which foot. You can see at the very top here is the number. That's gonna help you measure which one's gonna fit your nail bed the best, and so you can remember moving forward. So I kind of have them organized. The number is gonna go at the top, and there's bottom side is actually a little thinner, so that's gonna go closer to your cuticle. So your first step is you're gonna prep your toes. So my toes, I already prepped them. The first thing I would do is take the cuticle pusher that comes in the box, and I am going to push my cuticles down. I can use my cuticle nippers to kind of clean them up. And then I like to buff my nails with the pink side, give it a little friction, clean anything off. And then my secret trick is using an alcohol pad. So I just bought a big box of like 800 off Amazon, or I think they were like 500 for $8.99. And this is going to clean off any excess oils or anything that might be on your toes, killing any germs, making sure we don't get any bacteria under there or anything. And then a set of tweezers is going to be your best friend. The adhesive comes in the box. You're going to put as much or as little glue on your toenail as you'd like, depending on how long you want them to last. So I want mine to last a good 10 days or so before I switch them out for a different color. So I coat them pretty thoroughly. And then I'm going to take my tweezers on the tip of the dash, and I'm going to angle it towards my cuticle, lay it down and press, and I'm going to hold it in place for a good 10 seconds. If you have a little glue squeeze out, you can just use your alcohol swab to clean it off. All right, then I'm going to move on to the next one, and I'll put all these on with my tweezers. Now I like my toenails really short, so I'm actually going to trim them with a set of nail clippers. All I do is trim them as close to my natural nail as I can, and then I'm going to use the file that comes in the package to give them a nice round natural look. All right, and then I'm going to do that with all of them. And there you have it, a pedicure in less than 5 minutes.